थैंक यू सो मच।
अरे क्या सुन रहे हो भाई, ईव्सड्रॉपिंग क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? बहुत लाइव भारी जबरदस्त और अफलातून पॉडकास्ट आने वाला है। और पॉडकास्ट नहीं बोलते इसको, टेटा टेट बोलते हैं, विद हफ्सा खान।
नहीं, genuinely, it's our privilege to be with you, Hafsa. Thank
Yeah.
you for
So much
inviting us.
for being
Thank you for asking different perspectives of different stakeholders in the industry.
Right.
You asked about us, you asked about our developer friends, you asked about the government, policy makers, everything. So it was fresh. Plus, for me particularly, first time with a lady host.
Of course.
So you were a great host. You had some difficult questions. I hate you for that. But it was fun.
Rendezvous with हफ्सा and अभिषेक किरण गुप्ता बोले तो एकदम झकास।
So Abhishek and Rafiq Merchant, two poles apart. I'm very glad that I could have you both on the couch with me.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's a different approach, and I think that it's best that we hear you guys, both together, because it's what is unique about you.
Sure.
You
absolutely.
are,
Thank you for inviting us.
You are very, structurally oriented, and Rafiq Merchant, as we all know, the rap chick dilemma, the Zabardast attitude. I think it's what is required, for all of us to listen together.
Yeah.
So let me start by asking, how is Bombay different to you both? Like, in your perspective, how is Bombay different? Like, how do you see Bombay? Because I've seen that you've always been academically and strategically all about numbers. Whereas your approach has always been about, what people feel. What would the end game be like? So could you please share your perspective about the city Bombay?
Let Abhishek go first, and
Okay.
we have to call it Mumbai, not Bombay.
मैं यही बोलने ही वाला था कि
So I am sorry, guys. I am somebody who's grown in Bombay, and I've a lot of comments in my this thing call it Mumbai. Okay, what do you think about
Same
Mumbai?
here. So I've been born up. I was born
Born and
opposite
born.
Wankhede Stadium. Okay, at Tulsi Niwas, and I'm used to saying Bombay, and I get I get harrowed for saying Mumbai. So I'm going to say Mumbai this time.
Okay.
So the thing is, somebody recently asked me, is Mumbai the king of Indian real estate?
Yeah, I've yeah.
You've seen that?
Yes, I've
yeah?
seen
And I
that.
said, Kis Bewkuf ne kaha?
Yes.
And I got pulled up for that also.
Yeah.
Because I genuinely believe in what I say.
Okay.
सबसे ज्यादा मॉल हैं एनसीआर में,
Right.
सबसे ज्यादा वेयर हाउसेज हैं एनसीआर एंड पूना में, सबसे ज्यादा ऑफिसेज हैं बैंगलोर में. हाउ इज दिस द किंग? द किंग हैज स्लेप्ट. नाउ द इंफ्रा इज गेटिंग बिल्ट. नाउ द मेट्रो इज कमिंग. द कोस्टल हैज कम. BKC will grow. Bullet train will come here. Hopefully, the king will be back. That's exactly what I genuinely mean. So, Bombay or Mumbai to me has been the financial capital. Bollywood stays here. Even I stay here. But the point is, there was an exodus of people leaving Mumbai a couple of years back.
Right.
Didn't want to because it's ridiculously expensive. The cost of living is ridiculous. It's like बोलते हैं ना, न्यूयॉर्क में आप खरीदते नहीं हो घर. You have to stay on rent.
Right.
Bombay is reaching the same situation.
But don't you think a city like this is always hyped because it is full of dreams? It doesn't let people go hungry. People find their balance, and I've heard you say that there is a right balance over here. I'm sure if there was no right balance over here, people would it would be a riot.
Yeah. So you're absolutely right. The minute you come out of the Bombay city, which is the peninsula kind of a
Okay.
thing, then the balance starts fitting in, right? So now you have the Thane, the Navi Mumbais, and now the Mumbai 3.0.
Right.
New airport is.
Inaugurated, of course.
मेरे घर से
Yes.
जाना airport जाना will be like a project. Like
Of course.
so I'm
A
hoping.
city like Bombay, it's going
Correct.
to be a project.
So that balance has been brought to Mumbai city by all of these suburban areas, and which is why the city survived.
Okay.
Right? Otherwise, it would have been a mess.
So you're saying King and his, commemorates.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Rafiq ji, what is Bombay like to you? In your eyes, in your perspective, wherein, it's wherever you go, of course, you get the charm with you. आप जिधर भी जाते हैं, आप अपना एक aura लेके जाते हैं. But ये बॉम्बे ने आपको बनाया है ये आपका नजरिया है बॉम्बे की तरफ?
देखो, रफीक मर्चेंट is all because of Mumbai. His language is all because of Mumbai.
Right.
His attitude is all because of Mumbai. So the entire credit goes to Mumbai. जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ, ये मेरा है यहाँ पर. तो मुंबई नहीं होता तो मतलब इतना नाम शोहरत, इतना सक्सेस नहीं मिलता मुझे. मैं दुबई गया, मैं लंदन गया, मैं लंदन में रहा इतने साल, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया गया, हंगरी गया. लेकिन जहाँ भी गया तो इंटरनेशनली भी हमारे एनआरआईज क्या बोलते कि अरे मुंबई मुंबई, वाह, अरे वाह. तो इंडिया, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? मुंबई. तो हमारे देश के बाहर यार, हमारे सिटी के बाहर जाओ ना तो मुंबई की बहुत कदर है. अभी नोएडा, गुड़गांव भी गए थे मैं और अभिषेक और सारे लोग रियल्टी ड्राइव में. तो वहां भी एक्साइटमेंट और एक्सूबरेंस बहुत था मुंबई को लेके. ओ मुंबई, अरे यहाँ कोस्ट लाइन, अरे वहां हम रहे थे, अरे हम वहां गए थे. तो काफी लोग ऐसा कह रहे थे कि, तो बेसिकली अभी जैसे अभिषेक ने बताया ना, इट वाज स्लीपिंग सिटी. अभी तक वो ऐसा था कि कंप्लेसेंसी बहुत था यहाँ पर विद रिगार्ड्स टू इंफ्रा, विद रिगार्ड्स टू एवरीथिंग. द डेवलपमेंट हैज कम अप, लेकिन अभी इंफ्रा भी जोड़ रहा है. जैसे हम कोस्टल रोड की बात कर रहे थे, बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत ब्रीज है. इट्स अ ब्रीज टू ड्राइव थ्रू एंड इट सेव्स योर टाइम एंड स्टफ. सो मैं जहां भी जाता हूँ ना, कहीं भी, जैसे अभिषेक ऑल्सो ट्रैवल्स अ लॉट, तो जहां जाते मतलब मुंबई खींचता है. एक पावर, एक मैग्नेटिक पावर है, और वो लोग ही हमें कदर करवाते. अगर हम कदर नहीं करते ना तो लोग कदर करवाते कि अरे मुंबई यार, तुम मुंबई से हो, मुंबई से. फिर मालूम पड़ता है अरे यार मुंबई मतलब है बढ़िया. लेकिन इंफ्रा और अच्छा हो जाए ना तो फिर तो हम राजा बन जाएंगे. वैसा है.
तो अभी राजा नहीं है आपके हिसाब से?
अभी
या
not
सोए
yet.
राजा नहीं. No,
So one second, sorry. I have
Yeah.
to give you another answer. So see, so if you look at the metro cities of India, this is the only city where you have the ocean, and you don't have the ocean only of 5 kilometers. You have an ocean right from Vasai. चलो वो तो मैं गिन भी नहीं रहा हूँ बॉम्बे सिटी में. Right from Dahisar, Kandivali, Borivali, Versova,
Yeah.
Santa Cruz, Juhu, Bandra, and then Nariman Point.
But I think that's one of the reasons why Bombay is hyped also.
Absolutely.
Right? It's hyped because I don't think in any cities, like I've been to cities, no cities give you the charm, the way of living, importance.
Yeah.
It's the sea does its magic. The Queen's necklace, of course, does its magic. Of course, it was a failure. I'm sure, if you know, it was supposed to be a 400 acre of, reclamation, but I think that went down to 17 acres, and those 17 acres actually keeping the city live.
Yeah.
It's an Nariman Point that, वो 17 acres में था, of course. But tell me, okay, I know, Bombay, wherever we go, of course, gives up that hype, but what do you think is lacking? Okay, infra is one thing. The government is not doing anything about it. We have MMRDA, we have BMC, we have all these governing bodies. What do you think, according to you? Because you are somebody who's always on ground. You travel, you go on roads. Okay. Now, I'm not complaining about these potholes. Of course, that's a never-ending issue that Bombay will have, and of course, that will solve once a minister comes or visits us. But what is the end game of it? Infra, I don't think is ever going to, sustain for a longer period of time, or there is going to be any solution like a city in Bombay. Apart from that, what do you think is a major problem in Mumbai?
Genuinely, I think the city is seriously upgrading in terms of infra. We're having a new airport finally. बन गया अब तो, but it will take some time. I think the biggest game changer for Mumbaiites is not the coastal road. Nobody shit cares about the airport. I don't go to the airport every day.
Yeah.
पता नहीं आप लोग डेवलपर लोग क्यों लिखते रहते एयरपोर्ट इतना दूर है आपके घर से? Who cares?
But I'll tell you now, airport जो आ गया है, there also people will have an issue कि मैं ये flight नहीं लेने वाला हूँ because वो मेरे घर से दूर है.
Absolutely.
I'll travel business.
Yeah. So Atal Setu doesn't matter. What really matters, which will change Mumbai, is the metro. आप दिल्ली मेट्रो देखिए, सबने गाली दी थी कि अरे इतना बड़ा नेटवर्क, इतना पैसा खर्चा. That is the only thing that saved Delhi, and it turned profitable in 3 years. That will happen to Bombay as well, because आबादी यही है. And the smartest people on earth always said the city and the economy starts looking rich when the rich travel in public transportation. Look at London.
Right.
Look at Singapore. Look at Hong Kong.
New York.
Look at Shanghai. Look at New York. उसकी तो मुझे मेट्रो पसंद भी नहीं है, अपनी बेटर है. But the point is, you will see the rich and the corporate white collar traveling or going on the Golden Collar, traveling by metro, that would be my nirvana for my city,
Of course.
right? Potholes की तो बात ही मत करो,
No.
वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा. I'll tell you how. We are trying to concrete everything. Bad for the climate, but it is good for us.
Of course.
Second, एक elevated road बनाया एयरपोर्ट का, existing एयरपोर्ट का, एक वहां पर तो एक pothole नहीं होता.
There's no
क्यों?
pothole.
So when we want to do it as a country, we can do it.
But I think that's a long shot, of course.
It is.
It's not like tomorrow's, yesterday's dream coming live today. Tell me your, आपका नजरिया क्या
मुंबई
है?
hyped up नहीं है. Mumbai is living up to the
With
expectation,
expectations?
and अभी I don't think airport से even Dubai sells airport. दुबई के रियल एस्टेट भी एयरपोर्ट बेचते हैं. अल मखतूम एयरपोर्ट, वो सब. अल मखतूम इज कमिंग अप. इट्स द बिगेस्ट, गोना बी द बिगेस्ट एयरपोर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, आई सपोज. तो वहाँ भी रियल एस्टेट को लेके देखो, वहाँ भी लोग जाते, लेते, एक बार प्रॉपर्टी लेते, फिर आ जाते, फिर बार बार दुबई नहीं जाते प्रॉबली. लेकिन वहाँ भी वो कहा जाता है कि अल मखतूम एयरपोर्ट है, यहाँ पर ये DIA दुबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट है, अल मखतूम आ रहा है, तो बार बार अल मखतूम एयरपोर्ट को कहा जाता है. तो see, the infra is always a selling point for any real estate project, or wherever, because आप चाहे यूज करो या नहीं करो, it is always a comfort, giving you comfort, a cushion level कि हाँ चलो. और वो हमारे लिए, हमारे मुंबई के लिए, हमारे भारत के लिए एस्पिरेशनल है. हम मेट्रो सब एक्सेसिबल है. व्हाट इज नॉट एक्सेसिबल फॉर अ कॉमन मैन इज, यार मैं एक दिन जाऊंगा, प्लेन में बैठूंगा. सो दैट इज एस्पिरेशनल.
That is aspiration
और
for
वो
Indian people.
और हर कोई, मतलब एयरपोर्ट बोलो तो वाह, मेट्रो बोलो तो ठीक है, चलो मेट्रो में तो तुम, आप, मैं सब जा सकते हो.
ट्रेन है वो तो.
हाँ, लेकिन यहाँ क्या है, एयरपोर्ट मतलब आप फ्लाइट से जा रहे हो, एयरपोर्ट है, तो दैट गिव्स यू अ ग्रेट फीलिंग ऑफ हाई. नॉट इन दुबई बट मुंबई, यहाँ पर इंडिया में, भारत में, कि हाँ यार ये एयरपोर्ट भी है बाजू में, या तो एक दिन मैं जाऊंगा, फ्लाई करूंगा. तो हमारे यहाँ क्या, ये एस्पिरेशनल सिटी है, और हम अभी भी आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, हम प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, और हमारे लिए काफी चीजें नई है मुंबई के लिए, भारत के लिए. और अभी कोस्टल रोड्स, ये मेट्रोज, ये वगैरह सब आ रहा है, कनेक्ट कर रहा है. तो इट्स बिकमिंग वेरी इजी फॉर पीपल टू really sell real estate projects when it comes to selling, and it's becoming very easy for people to buy the apartment anywhere, where when it comes to infrastructure alongside.
Abhishek, why, tell me, of course I know what the model of CRE matrix looks like, but do you think a city like Bombay, who is all about connections, I know you, you know he, okay, I'm going to buy this because of this, I'm going to buy because my friend brought there, I want to live a life with my family, areas like Borivali, Bombay Central, who are heavily community driven, do you think CRE matrix still works in these community, when it comes to numbers and all? It's so my question to you, it comes from a perspective wherein, is community important, or the numbers still do their magic over there?
Okay, so CRE Matrix is a B2B company. Originally, and even today, designed that way. We were unable to reach the consumer or the 2 crore people that he mentioned, or jo Modi ji roj bolte, 140 crore people. We were unable to reach them, because for that you need to hire Virat Kohli. I can't afford him. Okay. Having said that, but answer to your question, can we help? Yes, we can. Aajkal you want to know who your neighbor is? The developer will not tell you. Okay? He's not supposed to tell you.
Yeah.
And even if he does, it might not be true, or I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay? They want to know at what price did he buy it, because I don't want to pay more than him. Okay? They want all possible details of the apartment, because एक हिंदुस्तानी जिंदगी में एक ही घर खरीदता है, an
Right.
average हिंदुस्तानी. Okay? We cannot make a mistake. He should not make a mistake. And therefore, data can only help. Now, I'm not saying data is your Bible and Gita and whatever. I'm saying use it as a tool to make your decisions faster, better. Because हिंदुस्तान में क्या होता है, सबको validation चाहिए. पहले मैं देखूंगा, फिर बीवी आएगी,
Right.
फिर दोस्त आएगा, फिर भाई
It's all
आएगा.
about validation, and I think community living. But these areas like Borivali, they are very much a community. Like,
Oh,
they're
yeah.
a country in themselves.
Yeah.
Do they still rely on that data, or they make decision like, nahi, chalo, like you said, mera father bolenge to main lunga, or because my community is there, I want to stay there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So CRE Matrix again is not designed for individuals.
Individual. It's
We
even
can
for
help
the
them.
community.
It was for developers. It was for bankers.
understand.
It was for investors. It was for brokers, and they are extensively using it because they want to know कि बाबा कौन सा माल बिकता है, कौन सा नहीं बिकता है, क्या साइज का बिकता है, कौन खरीदता है. They want to know all these things. We can still, again I'll repeat, we can still help consumers, but we are unable to reach them. And I'm hoping platforms like these, thank you very much, or a CNBC or any of these platforms will only help our brand reach the consumer so that they make the right decision.
एक इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग कराओ, मुझसे हो जाएगा काम.
Tell me, Abhishek, now adding to this, okay, not, being too negative or not entirely blaming CRE for this.
Yes.
Now, but do you think, like ideas like what, so with the CRE matrix, of course, it's always going to be very academic. हमने book पढ़ा, हमने book close किया, हमने वो lesson पार कर लिया, हम लोग वो दूसरे standard में पहुंच गए.
Yes.
But it's never going to be like what Hiranandani did to Powai. Like there is not going to be a magic. For example, Borivali में nobody will be making with the data that you have, of course, nobody is going to decide today I want to make in Borivali a 2-floor luxury condominium and, sell it. There's not going to be a magical idea like, how Powai happened or how Gurgaon happened on the map. Like, any developer who will say, F this, I want to make this and this is going to sell.
Yeah.
Because developers today are being very tactical of what they want to do. It's all about numbers. Of course, you're there, it's helping. But do you think again that in a city like Mumbai, this is important? Like, आप उठो, decide करो मुझे ये बनाना है, बना लो, और it's a crazy city. It's a city with, like you said, financial capital. People have money. Is this also important? Like, people get up and make something, and what is your perspective on that?
So if you're looking for a eureka moment to come,
Yeah.
or you want CRE Matrix data to help you build an iconic building like a Burj Khalifa in Bombay,
Yeah.
we can't help you. We can't.
Do you think it's Mumbai's issue or it's the developer's issue?
No. It's
Not
iconic
possible.
buildings का data नहीं होता. वो किसी दिन you go mad, or
You're high.
something goes wrong with you and you decide to do that.
Yeah.
Right? Some succeed, some don't succeed as much. All historic data, which is what people, a vast majority of people would rely on that, is to make sure they're mitigating their risk. कि बाबा अगर बोरीवली में 2 बेडरूम बिकता है तो मुझे पता है कि वो मैं बनाऊंगा तो बिक ही जाएगा.
Right.
I don't have to be specially gifted to.
Make something out of the box.
Right? Now suddenly you wake up one day and become Mr. Vadhva, and you say, I will make, I think his beautiful project is called
Aquaria Grande.
Thank You. Right? He decides that I'm going to make this building, which is going to be at a 50% premium than rest of Borivali. Now that doesn't happen. That happens once in 20, 30 years. Right? A Vikas Oberoi building Goregaon, which is again at a 30% premium compared to rest of Goregaon, happens once in a while. A Powai by Mr. Niranjan Mai happens once in a while.
Right.
It doesn't happen again and again.
It's miracle in a city like Mumbai.
So once they make these, all of these people are clients of ours. So they still need the data.
Of course.
Because now they're building Powai.
And
Now they're building Panvel.
Panvel,
Now
yeah.
Mr. Vikas Oberoi is building something in Gurgaon, which
Yeah.
he's not his forte. So data is there to support your hypothesis, right or wrong, not to teach you and take you back to school.
Right.
आपका एक बिलीफ है, आपका एक विजन है, आपका एक स्टाइल है.
वो एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए आपको ये डेटा इंपॉर्टेंट
We
है.
will help you support your theory, not to say कि बाबा now make a 100-story building and we'll help you sell it.
Of course.
उसके लिए वहां देखिए.
Rafiq ji, tell me, you've been to places. We've seen that you go to Hungary, you go to Sochi, you go to all these places.
Yeah.
Is everything Zabardast? Is everything this Jordar? Is everything that, or it's just, what has clicked for you? What is it? Please just enlighten me with, what actually is Zabardast, what actually is Rapchik, and what actually is, on the point.
मेरे लिए तो स्लम या चौल भी एक रापची को जबरदस्त है, क्योंकि वहाँ इंसान रहते हैं, वहाँ अपनी कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से उनकी जो ताकत है उस हिसाब से रहते हैं वो. तो फॉर अ रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर, फॉर even that a studio apartment in Mumbai is a dream for somebody who's coming from Nagpur, or somebody who's coming from Nasik, or from outside Mumbai. So if you're not passionate about what you are doing, if you're not passionate about what you're selling, then you should not be, if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. That's what it is. So rather be passionate than just be ordinary. So that's what I feel, because real estate में वो दिल से आवाज आनी चाहिए, और वो दिल से आवाज तब आएगी जब आप you love what you do and you do what you love. And even if you don't love what you do, eventually you'll fall in love. शादी हुई अगर किसी से और प्यार नहीं हुआ तो इवेंचुअली प्यार हो जाना चाहिए वैसा. तो लेकिन ये बात है कि यू हैव टू बी वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट व्हाट यू डू, वॉट एवर प्रोफेशन यू एंड टू. एंड हर तरह के क्लाइंट होते, और उसको हम कौन होते जज करने वाले कि अरे ये 1 BHK रापचिक और जबरदस्त नहीं है, और एक पेंट हाउस ही मतलब रावस और अफलातून है. तो मेरे लिए तो सब कुछ सही है, बिकॉज वो उसके लिए तो एक ड्रीम है, वो तो इतना पैसा जमा करके आ रहा है और इतना इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है. तो फॉर अस इट हैज टू बी लाइक, देखो लीगैलिटीज, फॉर्मेलिटीज, पेपर वर्क सब सही है, तो फिर देन इट मतलब उसको दिलाना है, और उसको वो दिलाना है कि खुश करके दिलाना है कि उसने बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट लिया है, बहुत अच्छी चीज लिया है. एंड ऊपर वाले के करम से जिसको घर दिलाया रेंट पे और सेल पे, आज तक सब खुश है. और आज भी, कल भी फोन आया था कि तुझसे रफीक 10 साल पहले घर लिया था, इतनी बरकत हुई और इतना हम लोग ने तरक्की किया रफीक, अभी हम लोग ने ना उसके बाद 2 घर लिए, और वो 2 घर बेचना है, अभी हम बड़ा घर ले रहे, और भी 2 इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है. तो मतलब मैं एक क्लाइंट से ये सुन के मैं वो हो गया, दंग रह गया. तो नीयत साफ तो मंजिल आसान, और हर चीज मेरे हिसाब से रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर के लिए तो रापचिक होना ही चाहिए, वरना उसको होना ही नहीं चाहिए प्रोफेशन में.
Wow.
Now, the one important question, Rafiq ji, I wanted to ask, and I'll ask you this as well in your, of course, study that you are doing. Rafiq ji, you've been minority in this field, of course, yeah. You've spoken about passion.
हाँ.
But क्या passion important है being a minority in this? Because all these slangs that you use, ऊपर वाला, niyat and all,
हाँ.
it's the slang that we use. We are used to it. But of course, you've been minority in this field, and in Bombay, with whatever scenario there is,
Yeah.
of course, you would have your journey. How do you think it's translating, and what has been your journey being a minority? Because you must be a decade, in this field. So what was it like to you, and what is it like now? And after having your flair in the industry, where do you think this is going to go?
देखो एक बात बताऊं, भारत में रह के मुझे आज तक माइनॉरिटी फील हुआ ही नहीं है. आज तक फील नहीं हुआ, न किसी ने करवाया है. सच बोलो तो इतना सक्सेस मिला, इतनी खुशियां मिली, इतना प्यार मिला लोगों से. आज तक एक बंदा नहीं है मुंबई या भारत से, इतने मेरे 47 इयर्स ऑफ एज में, कि किसी ने मुझे फील कराया कि रफीक तू माइनॉरिटी है, तू ये है, तू वो है. लेकिन बाहर जाता हूँ हिंदुस्तान के, तो वो फील करवाते, गोरे लोग हो या आई मीन देखो बाहर वो ज्यादा हुआ है स्किन का और इसका कलर का,
I think.
और वो सब बहुत है. देखो बाहर क्या है, वो उसमें ज्यादा मुलविस होते हैं वो लोग, कि अरे बस उनको कुछ काम नहीं, इंफ्रा बना हुआ है, हर कुछ बना हुआ है, हर सब सही चल रहा है, सब सिस्टमैटिक है, ऑटोमेटेड है. तो उनका एक ही मुद्दा है, तू कौन ब्राउन, तू कौन व्हाइट, तू कौन ये, तू कौन एशियन, तू कौन ये. लेकिन भारत में हम सब एक लेवल पे प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, और हमारे जो कौम है ना, हमारी नेशन में कोई भी ये नहीं सोचता है कि तू ऐसा, तू यहां से, तू वहां से. लोग एक दूसरे के टैलेंट को देखते, हार्ड वर्क को देखते. भारत का ये सीन है. अच्छा, ये जो माइनॉरिटी का आपने जो बोला, ये खाली आप टेलीविजन ऑन कर दो, न्यूज देखो, उसमें ही.
No, but do you think it happens in the real estate? When
बिल्कुल नहीं,
when
बिल्कुल
people
नहीं.
say that, I don't want to stay here because this community is there. I want to make a building which is free of it. I want to make a building.
देखो अभी क्लियर डिवीजन हो गया, हफ्सा क्लियर डिवीजन हो गया. मुस्लिम्स वहाँ रहते, और हार्डली ऐसी कॉस्मोपॉलिटन सोसाइटी है. हाँ, लेकिन ऐसा होता है कि बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यहाँ ज्यादा मुस्लिम्स है, तो हमें यहाँ नहीं रहना है. हम चाहते कि हम हमारे कम्युनिटी के एरियाज में, तो वो वैलिड है, वो तो मतलब ओके ना.
Everybody would want to
हाँ,
live in
But
there.
that's not only limited to Muslims, right? Because there are the Jain community also wants to live around the Jain community because they have a mandir there, the Jain mandir.
This is hyped, you know. No, nobody would say that I don't want to stay with a Jain.
Yeah, well, sure.
Come on, let's
They've gone,
be honest about
Agreed,
it.
but
And it's not like degrading that community. Of course, a Muslim would want to stay, you know, in an area where there is, you know, the call for prayer, the azan that happens. And of course, a Jain would want to live in an area where there is, you know, derasar or, you know. So I am a child of parents who are Jain and a Muslim. Okay, mind you. So I know these two communities which are pole apart. I'm not saying that, you know, you have to live together, but then, you know, it's said a lot more that where there is Muslim, you don't want to stay. It's said. That is true.
मैंने पहले के भी पॉडकास्ट में बोला है, बर्ड्स ऑफ फेदर फ्लॉक टुगेदर. तो हम वहां रहना चाहते हैं जहां हम कंफर्ट है, यू नो, हमें कंफर्ट है, जहां हम कम्युनिटी के साथ रह सकते हैं, जहां फेस्टिवल्स एक साथ मना सकते हैं वगैरह, यू नो, जहां कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं हो. आज के जमाने में क्या पेशेंस कम हो गया है, आज के जमाने में क्या हर छोटी बात में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, हो जाता है. तो वो चीज अवॉइड करने के लिए लोग ये कदम उठाते कि हम चाहते हैं कि हम हमारे, यू नो, कम्युनिटी में रहे, हमारे अतराफ में लोग हमारे वाले रहे, ताकि लाइफ सीधी, आसान और पीसफुल गुजरे. यही लोग चाहते हैं, मुंबई हो या कहीं और हो. हम तो मुंबई में रहते तो मुंबई की बात करें तो लोग चाहते हैं रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी चलती रहे और पीसफुली चलती रहे और मगजमारी नहीं चाहिए यार.
But that's so beautifully said.
Yeah.
You want to celebrate the same festival, wear the same clothes, eat the same food, sing the same songs. It really makes a big difference. Back to the community, right?
But then that's not what India is about, right?
That is true. But
I know, okay, we are talking about a nation wherein it's so diverse, but then still we are choosing our communities. But that's okay, you know, everybody has their own
Sure.
perspective.
देखो, मैं खाना बनाऊंगा और बाजू में अभिषेक है वेजिटेरियन. आर यू वेजिटेरियन?
very,
और मैं
Are you?
very.
मैं मच्छी मटन बनाऊंगा, मेरे घर से अच्छी अच्छी खुशबू आएगी, तो इसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये सब जगह
उनके लिए अच्छा नहीं
उनकी
होगा.
फैमिली में किसी को प्रॉब्लम, उनके मॉम डैड
Right.
को, उनके किसी को, तो वो बर्दाश्त नहीं होता, यू नो. और हमारे घर हम कैसा है
It's what
कि
you've grown up with.
इट्स नॉट अ कॉलोनी ऑफ विलास. वी आर लिविंग इन अपार्टमेंट्स व्हिच आर स्टक टू ईच अदर
Of course.
and just divided by a wall, and you know, so that's a common wall, you know, that's a wall which divides. And और क्या खिड़की भी है तो खुशबू आती ही आती है. तो तकलीफ किसी को क्यों देना, तो हमारी वजह से किसी को तकलीफ क्यों हो.
Right.
तो हम ही एहतियात करें ना, हम ही वो उस चीज से दस्तबरदार हो जाए जिस चीज से लोगों को तकलीफ होती है.
Right.
तो वो मैच्योरिटी है.
Do you know what Rasbardar means?
दस्तबरदार.
Well, I can get the context.
Okay, but I'm sure you wouldn't.
I-
Okay, tell me, what in your perspectives are builders doing it right or wrong? Let's start with the wrong first.
What are they doing wrong?
Yes.
Not all of them. Some of them are not making homes for Mumbaiites. They're making homes for their aspirations
Okay.
and their egos. What I
Okay.
mean is, अगर सब लोग 2 बेडरूम बना रहे हैं तो मैं 3 बनाऊंगा. सब लोग 1000 स्क्वायर बना रहे हैं तो मैं 1200 बनाऊंगा. सब लोग 15,000 में बेच रहे हैं तो मैं 20,000 में बेचूंगा.
Okay.
You know, so then the sizing and the pricing goes wrong, and then you're unable to sell.
Sell.
All wonderful people like him also find it difficult to sell, and then you blame the world. Right? You blame everybody. You blame your sales team, you blame your channel partners, you blame the government, you blame the BMC, you blame the whole world.
So you're saying everything should be data backed, is it? Tell me now. For example, I'll
everything should be
cite-
data backed.
Okay.
Right. Absolutely correct. But
Right.
it should not, data should help you, as I said, decide or reach a decision, not be the only driver. Because
Right.
there's something called gut, there's something called aspiration, there's something called I want to become आज मेरा revenue is 2,000 crore, right, as a developer. I want to reach 10,000 crores. But don't necessarily ape the 10,000 guy. Find your own path.
No, but
And data
tell
will
me,
help you.
Abhishek, tell me, you know, when lockdown happened, and I think crises bring out the best in anybody.
Sure.
Right? And more so best, I think, in the cities. Right? Crises bring out the best in the cities. Why I say this is because, you know, I think affordable houses in India is just a gimmick. I'll tell you why. Okay? They are breaking families, according to me. Bigger the home, bigger families can stay. Okay? Today, if there is a small home, the son gets up and says, okay, मैं अपने लिए नया कर लूंगा. Okay? And now then what happens? He's earning what, 40, 50,000 a month. and I've said this, I think, a couple of times, affordable houses is just a developer's gimmick in saying that, you come under the pressure, you pay monthly EMIs, you have so much of 20 years of loan, whereas a luxury home or bigger homes, I think, bring up the family together. Okay, and if a developer decides he wants to make, for example, a bigger flat, house people in, how is this wrong? Why are
But
we?
not everybody
Why
can.
are we still?
मेरा वॉलेट नहीं मेरे पास, मैं बस निकालने वाला था.
Not everybody can afford
Yeah, but
luxury.
then
ना.
affordability के नाम पे भी, I think, is just a cleverly packed pressure. Do you think?
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. But the point is कि average हिंदुस्तानी
Pressure उतना ही है.
का affordability. One second. Let's go back to data. पूरा हिंदुस्तान में जो मेट्रो सिटीज हैं, मैं तो नॉन मेट्रो की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Right.
I'm not even discussing the Jaipurs and the Kochis and the Chandigarhs of the world. I'm discussing the art ajubas of India.
Right.
उनका average apartment value is 70 lakhs. Is that affordable according to you?
Very much, if you ask me.
Correct? बॉम्बे में बैठे हो तो बोलोगे affordable है.
Of course.
करेक्ट. तो वो जब एवरेज 70 लाख ही है, इसका मतलब कि 50 का भी बिकता है, 40 का भी बिकता है एंड 50 करोड़ का भी बिकता है. करेक्ट. So when that is what an average Indian can afford, that's what you have to build more. The problem is that you don't have land in Bombay.
Do you think going high is the solution?
Going high is a great solution, but it can only happen when there are roads. Roads तो है ही नहीं बॉम्बे में, तो कहाँ से
But that is Bombay. That is the beauty of Mumbai.
You can't. And therefore you're New York. You're not supposed to buy a house here. Stay on rent.
Yeah. And then what?
Nothing
will
wrong with that.
Or slums. I'll tell you why. मुझे लगता है रफीक जी. Now, first you tell me, what do you think a
देखो,
developer
आप
is
खुद
doing it right
डेवलपर हो,
now?
आप खुद डेवलपर हो, तो अफोर्डेबल आप कैसे बना सकते हो जब आपको प्रोक्योरमेंट में, अप्रूवल्स में, प्रीमियम आपको इतना महंगा पड़ता है, तो आप थोड़ी सस्ते में दोगे.
नहीं. So
आप 5 रुपए में पड़
then
रहा
I'm doing a
है
charity.
तो आप 5 रुपए में पड़ रहा है आपको फ्लैट, तो आप 6 रुपए में दोगे, 1 रुपए आप कमाओगे कि नहीं. तो वही है ना, अभी लोग वही सोचते कि बिल्डर बहुत पैसा कमाता है वगैरह, लेकिन अभी आप ही थोड़ी देर पहले बोल रहे थे कि हमारा हमें it is becoming a lot costlier for us to.
It is becoming, because first I have to get the land.
Yeah.
I have to get the land.
Huh.
I have to remove people if it's a slum or a redevelopment. I have to relocate them. There are a lot of teeth ready to bite and hunger to bite.
Yes.
Right? I'm not going to talk about what happens in approval sections.
Yeah.
Investors, okay, bankers, everybody. I think the one who is earning is an investor or a banker. I don't think the developers make it a lot. It's just that there is a stigma that
एक ये ना मिथ हो गया है कि अरे डेवलपर तो बहुत कमाता है, तो
नहीं.
करोड़ मतलब वैसा है, ये ऐसा है. लेकिन अभी आप अगर अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो तो उसमें आपका एक कॉस्ट है, उसमें आप उसके नीचे नहीं दे सकते. और मुंबई में तो आप अफोर्ड ही नहीं कर सकते. और मुंबई में आपने जैसे बोला कि सबकी आंखें हम पर होती है, सब नोचने के लिए आते हैं हमें.
Right.
तो वैसे ही है. तो अभी आप खुद अपने आप को डिफेंड कर रहे हो, आप खुद यू पुटिंग फूड ऑन द टेबल, यू पुटिंग फूड ऑन सो मेनी पीपल्स टेबल. इट्स नॉट इजी फॉर अ डेवलपर बीइंग अ डेवलपर इन मुंबई. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील.
Okay. I've heard you say that, we need a lot of metro cities to have the economy there. Do you think we only need those cities? You tell me, you've been places, and you think people also should do their work? Like, we have unemployment. Cities are one thing, okay? We need people to make them. Tell me, according to your matrix and according to your numbers, is it only that we need cities, or people are also, lazy? It's a one man's dream. It's Abhishek's dream that, okay, I need more cities like this to have our economy strong. It's your dream to, house people and all. Do you think people in and around Mumbai or other cities that, you travel, or the world you travel, how is it different than, being in India or the world? Where do you think it's lacking? Because I'm sure it's not only the infrastructure or, the building or, what we are making. This question is, of course, on a very personal note. Do you think people are also at...
I think people are lazy.
Yes.
If people are lazy, there are so many opportunities in Mumbai, and there's so many opportunities to make money in Mumbai. If I hire 10 people, 9 out of 10 would be lazy. They don't want to do things. They don't want to work. And they are, all over the place. You know what I mean? They don't want to take directions. They don't want to take instructions. So people are lazy. See, if they were, it's not like I can't do it. It's like I won't do it. That's the difference. If you can't do it, we're here to teach you, we're here to train you, we're here to mentor you. But I won't do it. That we cannot change. That's an attitude problem. So I think people are not lazy. People are just egoistic a little bit, when it comes to. इसीलिए the reason I keep saying मुंबई में बहुत opportunity पैसा कमाने की, भारत में आज बहुत opportunity कमाने की, क्योंकि लोग दो तरह के लोग हो गए. एक तो वो है जो they don't want to do anything. They want things to happen. And there's 20% of the people who wants to make things happen, who want to be proactive about things. So that's why, that's where I came from, because I saw my broker community and they were like, very lackadaisical about everything. They were very complacent about everything, and they don't want to put in extra effort, and, they want to be just keep doing the way they're doing things. So I did things differently. I saw all the setbacks and all the all the negativities, and I wanted it to be converted into positivity. So ये जो कर रहा है मुझे बिल्कुल उसके बरहक्स करना है, मुझे उसके जैसा नहीं करना है. तो क्लाइंट के साथ सर्विसिंग कर रहे क्लाइंट को सच बोलना है, क्लाइंट को धोखा नहीं देना है, चाहे डील नहीं हो, जो है कम्युनिकेट करना है. जो उसने बोला उसको कम्युनिकेट करना है, इसने बोला कम्युनिकेट करना है बिल्कुल. और कम्युनिकेट करके मैसेज में भी डालना है, मेल भी डालना है कि मैंने आपको कम्युनिकेट किया. अरे आपने कब बोला था, अरे मुझे तो मालूम ही नहीं है, अरे आपने कब बोला था, वो सब लोग भूल जाते. तो वो फिर ब्लेम आता है कि ब्रोकर पे या किस पे. तो यू हैव टू डॉक्यूमेंट व्हाट यू सेड टू पीपल. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. तो मैंने वही किया कि यू हैव टू डू थिंग्स डिफरेंटली, एंड पीपल आर there are opportunities. अभी कोई बोलता ना रहे यार मेरे घर पे ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है. That means you are lazy, you haven't done anything. हाथ पैर दिया ऊपर वाले ने सही सलामत, तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो. हमारे पास opportunities है एम्प्लॉयर्स के पास, लेकिन employees don't want to do anything.
What does your matrix say about it? What do you think? Have you ever thought about people more than numbers in your
So I'm going to get beaten up and pulled up for saying this. I think God has only made one mistake in his lifetime, which has made people. Because they're so different from each other, they think differently. No one person is the same as the next.
Of course.
Right? And that's what makes India beautiful, and diversity and all that jazz. But when I said that India needs more metro cities, is because these old cities are crumbling. And there's so much effort and so much money that has to be spent to uplift them. Do that. Because these are metro cities. But look at Vizag. Google is going there $15 million invest करने वाला है. Did anybody even dream about this? कैसा हो सकता है? Rafiq bhai, it came as a shock to everybody last week that Google is going to invest $15 million in Vizag. Right? Now, somebody will say, अरे वो तो नायडू साहब ने किया है, इसलिए ऐसा हुआ. Somebody will say something else. That's fine. लोग तो बोलते ही रहेंगे. The point is, the state capitals of our country have to grow up. Have to. They all have populations of some between 50 lakhs to maybe 1 crore. तो लोग तो हैं वहां पे. स्विगी, स्कूटसी, जोमैटो तो चल ही रहा है ना वहां पे. पाव भाजी मिल रही है ना रात में 1 बजे. तो ऐसा तो नहीं कि लोग नहीं है वहां पे. एंड दे नॉट, ऐसा तो नहीं कि एजुकेटेड भी नहीं है.
Right.
ऐसा तो नहीं कि एस्पिरेशनल भी नहीं है. सब कुछ है. एंड हिंदुस्तानी इन बॉम्बे एंड हिंदुस्तानी इन जयपुर would have similar aspirations of the age 25.
Right.
The point is, the government, I blame it completely to the government. सब लोग होशियार हैं हिंदुस्तान में, everybody is smart. The government needs to push these cities. They need to get in the infra, they need to get in the airport, they need to get in the jobs, they need to get in everything. And jobs doesn't have to be white collar only. Vizag का, Google का white collar jobs नहीं है सब. Right? हमारा वाधवन पोर्ट जब बनेगा, the Kohinoor of India, 70,000 crore, it's not white collar, it's going to be blue collar. That's fine. But look at what happened to Palghar. वो अभी तो पालघर में ऐसा हो गया रफीक भाई. एक डेवलपर ने मुझे बोला, आप आज डील हाथ में लाके गए ना, अगर टोकन नहीं दिया तो कल द रेट विल चेंज फॉर लैंड. टुमारो, नॉट नेक्स्ट मंथ, टुमारो. दैट्स द पावर ऑफ इंफ्रा.
So tell me, but we are talking about people being lazy. We are blaming it on government. Of course, it is to be blamed. But tell me, isn't government just backing their favorites? What I mean to say is, do you think nepotism has a bigger role to play in this? Because we've seen nepotism everywhere. Okay. Now, in our real estate or the infra, I'm directly talking about from a perspective wherein there is government and then there is some favoritism done. Do you think that happens and it's because of that, it's just going around in one circle and no new opportunities are given to people in all sectors in our real estate I'm talking about, from infra to, developer, to all these small communities that, we face, day to day basis. Of course, you're an outsider. I would want to hear your perspective, but tell me, Abhishek, you've seen people in and out. You've spoken to people. You've been places. You travel places. You hear people. Do you think nepotism is there in our,
1000%, but I don't think nepotism is there. I wouldn't say nepotism is there in this, क्या बोलते हैं, the infra choices, क्योंकि airports हर जगह develop हो रहे हैं. Like I was recently there I visited Port Blair, Andamans. The airport was beautiful.
But isn't it because it's given to Adani?
That is immaterial to me. बनाया ना. हम लोग सूरत गए थे, the Diamond Bourse. Beautiful building. Beautiful building. मुझे तो ये BKCL बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. It's a waste of real estate according to me. Such a gorgeous land parcel, boss. मेरे हिसाब से अगर आप मुझे क्या बोलते हैं, हैरी पॉटर का मैजिक वाउंड दे दो या एक दिन के लिए मिस्टर फडणवीस का कुर्सी दे दो, तो सबसे पहले आई ब्रिंग द डायमंड बोर्ड्स ऑफ बीकेसी डाउन. आई नो पीपल विल हेट मी टू से दिस. इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ प्राइम रियल एस्टेट. मेक रेसिडेंशियल देयर. 1 लाख के ऊपर बिकेगा, 2 लाख में बिकेगा.
Of course, I stay in BKC.
Coming to the difficult question.
Yes.
Nepotism is there in real estate. It is exactly the same as Bollywood.
Of course.
And I really genuinely think Bollywood and real estate में बहुत similarities हैं.
Yeah, there is
It's not only
politics.
limited to nepotism. There's much
Yes,
more.
yes.
जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि एंड रफी भाई आप इसको अप्रिशिएट करोगे, जैसे मैंने बिल्डिंग लॉन्च की, हाँ, तो वीकेंड पे 40% सोल्ड, 100% सोल्ड.
Yeah.
वैसे पिक्चरों में क्या होता है, फ्राइडे थर्सडे लॉन्च किया मूवी एंड वीकेंड कलेक्शन कितना है, जो भी है यही वीकेंड 4 दिन में खत्म होना चाहिए.
Yes.
राइट, अनदर सिमिलरिटी.
Of course.
राइट. So I can talk for this forever, but it's there, yeah. And
But do you think that is deteriorating the entire, look and feel or the way it should run? I mean, of course, an outsider like him has done tremendously good.
Yeah.
Whereas, of course, but
he's
somebody
first
from
generation, ना. अभी बेटा आएगा तो मालूम पड़ेगा.
Beti.
Yeah, sure. So first generation though is always the one who takes the maximum risk.
But even second generation, tell me, we are talking about generations now. Tell me, I think it's always limited to second or third.
Again,
That's
you're
about it.
taking me back to Bollywood, right? How many second or third generations do you know except the Kapoor family who have done? Mr. Bachchan? Maybe, maybe not. Dilip Kumar? Devanand? Right? So I genuinely believe कि second तक तो फिर भी हो सकता है. Third
Right.
तो is like impossible.
Just live off the money.
And I'm not even sure real estate has too many examples where the third generation has done exceptionally well when the first and second did well.
I don't think.
Right? So we'll have to see.
Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to figure it out. Tell me, Rafiq, how is it being an outsider in a world wherein I think nepotism is kicking and always going to be there?
सी इट्स मैं काफ़ी लोगों से मिला हूँ डेवलपर कम्युनिटी में भी, जो अपने रिश्तेदारों को हायर किया है, अपने करीबी लोगों को हायर किया है, लेकिन दे डिड नॉट डिलीवर. सो दे हैड टू सैक देम एंड दे हैड टू हायर समबडी हु वाज आउटसाइडर हु वाज डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. सो दे चोज थिंग्स ऑन मेरिट. इफ यू आर फेवरिंग नेपोटिज्म, इट्स ओनली यू आर ओनली गेनिंग फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म, बट लॉन्ग टर्म में आप लूज कर रहे हो. बट इफ यू आर चूजिंग समबडी ऑन मेरिट, you will be in a win-win situation for a long time. जो नेपोटिज्म करता है वो खुद ही खसारे में होता है मेरे हिसाब से. और देखो, अब मेरा बेटा भी है, अगर वो सही काम नहीं करेगा तो I will fire him and I'll sack him and I'll hire somebody who's whoever outsider and he is doing a great job, because it's all about performance. It's see the cricket team, there's hardly परफॉर्म करो, परफॉर्म और पेरिश. वैसे ही है ना इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम. 2 मैच में आप स्लगिश हो गए तो आप गए, चाहे कितना भी नेपोटिज्म में आपको 2 मैच में लिया होगा, फिर 200 मैच में तो नहीं खेल सकते ना. 200 मैच में कैसे खेलोगे? मेरिट के हिसाब से खेलोगे, परफॉर्मेंस के हिसाब से खेलोगे. तो नेपोटिज्म इट्स आर्ग्यूमेंट इटसेल्फ इज वेरी वीक, क्योंकि वो करने दो फेवर, क्योंकि कर्मा ओनली फेवर्स लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. कर्मा ओनली फेवर्स हार्ड वर्किंग इंडिविजुअल्स, परसिस्टेंट and somebody who's perseverance and somebody who's ethical. 2 चीजें सक्सेस को हासिल करने के लिए, एक तो है आपको हार्ड वर्क तो है ही, दूसरा काफी लोग एथिकल नहीं होते.
Right.
काफी लोग ऑनेस्ट नहीं होते. दूसरों एक की टोपी दूसरे के सर पर, चीट करते हैं, तो अगर आप बहुत मेहनती हो लेकिन आप ऐसा करते हो तो आप लॉन्ग रन में पकड़े जाओगे. तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी एथिकल, वेरी ऑनेस्ट, किसी का हक नहीं मानना है. दूसरा, यू हैव टू बी वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग.
But in Mumbai, can people really be ethical?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely, because there's scarcity of it.
Why Mumbai only? ये तो गलत
No,
बात है.
everywhere. I think can people really be ethical considering so much is happening in and around, and in BMC wherever you go.
देखो, आपका लोग हक मार रहे हो एज अ डेवलपर, लेकिन आप किसी का हक नहीं मार रहे हो ना. वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. आपने क्या बोला कि हम लोग को अप्रूवल्स डिफिकल्ट है, हम लोग को प्रीमियम देना पड़ता है, लेकिन आप कर रहे हो ना, आप कर गुजर रहे हो हर चीज से.
We are.
आप ना नहीं बोल रहे हो, आप शॉर्टकट नहीं ले रहे हो. जहां जो हो रहा है आप अकोमोडेट कर रहे हो एज अ बिजनेस वूमन. लेकिन आप किसी का हक नहीं मार, आप घर दे रहे हो, आप सही घर दे रहे हो, आप उसको पेमेंट का प्लान है जो भी है वगैरह वगैरह सब कर रहे हो, तो आप अपनी जिम्मेदारी बखूबी निभा रहे हो, तो आप एथिकल हो.
But Hafsa is not only about nepotism, right? वो तो भी बहुत छोटा वर्ड हो गया है.
हाँ.
For me, this might sound really strange, but I need to see more women developers. I need to see that real estate काफी sexist भी है. Like Bollywood भी मुझे लगता था हमेशा से ऐसा ही है, man's world.
Now I think we are bringing this up. I think Deepika, she's just said about this 8-hour working, and I think men have been doing it. Now the only point I think with women, I'm sure would agree, there is a assumed responsibility that women is towards healthcare. They only have to do this health checkups and everything, whereas the decision making or a new phase or a potential phase is I've not seen. And
Nirupa is a great example. Nirupa Shankar.
but then you could name it, right?
Yeah.
Whereas you could name it. It's only on fingers. Whereas men, I could, to be very honest, I could tell, and the list wouldn't end. And everyone would have their speciality. But women, I think
So that has to change.
it
And
has
and
to,
it's your
and
responsibility.
that's why too much of burden.
All
give,
the
give me a
best.
back pillow. Okay, but speaking about this, we've spoken about a lot of things. The only one thing that I think I would want to hear from both of you, it's because you guys are pole apart and everything. What is luxury? Tell me, what is luxury in Mumbai? Where is it
Luxury
going?
For me, in only Mumbai again?
No, tell me the entire India. Do people really understand luxury? And of course, your ways are really wild. Okay, in terms of it's
Wild or wide?
wide and wide bowl, but I think your ways are too much casual. In luxury, it's a different luxury what you have. Okay, not everybody has the luxury, how you perceive it. But okay, when I go to a Gucci store or I wouldn't. Although people are such, but they would want somebody with a class, a demean, and everything. Tell me where people. First, tell me, do people really understand luxury? And second, will India ever understand luxury? Because I know an understanding of luxury, and we are far away from that.
Very, very complicated question. Hold on. To my mind, luxury word is highly abused, misused, and people don't understand it. सबका अपना अपना definition है, and it's complicated. Now we're discussing only real estate right now. Then we'll come to the Gucci's and the Jimmy Choo's and all of that later. The LVs. That is only limited to people who travel. And मुझे फिक्र होती है कि जब LV यहाँ खुलेगा, I don't know whether वो succeed होगा कि नहीं, because वो इतना travel करते हैं जो LV खरीदते हैं कि they can still go to Dubai and New York and London and Paris to buy it. Right? And they'll still feel comfortable there क्योंकि they'll never have this feeling कि बाबा यहाँ पे कुछ fraud हो सकता है क्या, number one. Number two, अरे season old तो नहीं है. So LV will have to do a lot of hard work to sell here. Huh?
Of course.
All the best to them. But coming back to real estate. If luxury is only defined by the price of the apartment, तो फिर it has to be only above 10 crores. उसके नीचे बात ही मत करो.
And it doesn't have to be in North Bombay. It only has to be in South.
No, well, पहले तो ऐसा ही था.
Yeah.
But again, go back to Mr. Wadhwa's example, right?
Yeah.
The beautiful project or Vikas Chopra's example. उस गोरेगांव में तो कुछ भी नहीं 10 crore के नीचे. Can I say that? So that's luxury. But that's only defining it by price.
Of course.
But you can have a villa in Vasai and that's luxury for me, यार.
So it's all about perspective.
तो आप गोरेगांव में 10 करोड़ में कितना खरीदोगे? 3000 square feet. I'll make a villa with my own garden and my own butler and my own whatever of 10,000 square feet with a 5-acre villa. So that's not luxury or what? Just because I live in Vasai, I'm poor.
No, but why do people think that living in Sobo is called being luxury? Why is there this dilemma about Mumbai that
पानी वहां पे है. Okay, all the Louis Vuittons and आपके Jimmy Choo सब hotels वहाँ पे हैं.
वो बीकेसी में है, पानी तो वसई में भी है.
तो actually Sobo is BKC now, and I've said this in multiple forums that across the world the CBD changes or moves in 20-30 years. And for Bombay it has also moved. It's no longer an urban point. It's no longer Kala Ghoda. I love Kala Ghoda, but it's BKC and Bandra now.
Yeah.
100%.
BRC like you call it.
या अरे वो तो बनना बाकी है अभी. वो तो बिकेगा 2 लाख रुपए पर स्क्वायर फुट पे.
Right.
High street. Right, but that's a different story. So Bandra is the center of Bombay now. It's no longer an urban point. It still has its charm because of the Victorian architecture.
The Art Deco.
So
Yeah.
that is still there. And as an architect, you might appreciate it and love it.
Of course, I love it. Like that's why I think Mumbai got its.
Queen of suburbs, ooh la la, I love Bandra.
Correct? But वो तो है ही कहीं ना. You cannot take that architecture and that Victorian look and the London feel.
You
आज
can't-
भी आप
you can't
Sunday
take
जाओगे
that.
तो there
Yeah.
is somebody posing, somebody doing a reel there.
Yeah.
हाँ, वो तो है ही.
I think Mr. Bachchan and everybody shoot at the Asiatic Library, if I'm not mistaken. But this sigma of luxury needs to change.
Has to change.
Yes, because people think that if you're from Sobo, if you're from Worli, if you're across the bridge, which it's a major gap in people's head as well. That the moment you're crossing the Worli bridge, you're a different
It's not
breed.
wrong. It's not wrong because all the skyscrapers are there only. यहाँ पे है क्या कोई skyscraper?
People are just not making it.
अब बनेगी. करेक्ट बोला मैंने?
Of course.
सब लोअर परेल, महालक्ष्मी, वर्ली, प्रभा देवी, all the 50-story plus buildings are there only.
Yeah.
50, 70, whatever. So then Khandala in my house, I want. अरे कमाल है यार, I'll pay for the Khandala in my house.
Tell me what luxury is according to you, and have you ever faced an incident wherein people from a very luxurious background, would come to you, or how is it for you?
So luxury is something which is not available to masses and which is not accessible to masses because of the price point, because it is rare. Luxury is something which is, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, दिल्ली वाले बोलते हैं, जयपुर वाले बोलते हैं कि मुंबई में बैल्कनी मतलब एक लग्जरी है.
Right.
वो उसका उनका बोलने का मतलब ये है कि सबके पास नहीं है, अवेलेबल नहीं है मुंबई में बैल्कनी, सब हर जगह नहीं आती है. तो which is basically luxury, I would call it something like Antilia, something like Gautam Singhania's house, something like Oberoi 360, something which is like Abhishek said, it goes beyond 10 CR and 15 CR, So 10 CR के ऊपर भी अभी क्या, I mean, it's not, it is all pervasive, काफी है, options है 10 CR के ऊपर भी. बैंड्रा के ऊपर 3 bedroom भी, स्टार्ट ही होता है 10
And
करोड़
even
से.
in Andheri Lokhandwala.
तो वहाँ नॉर्मल हो गया है. अभी बैंड्रा में 25-30 CR you call it a luxury because it's not actually, you
it's all
can have a carters, you can have a bandstand, you can have a,
It's all about the price tag.
because because it's the space, because it's the coastline, because it's the sea view, because it's something.
The neighborhood.
Yeah, and everything, it's a full package. Luxury is a full package. It's just not the space or the price or anything.
What change would you bring in understanding luxury?
But one second, we spoke about community, right?
Yes.
ये
we did.
luxury भी community ही है एक.
So it's all perception. Yeah, of
Why
course.
is Bollywood only in Juhu and
Juhu and
Bandra?
Bandra, yeah.
तो अभी आप इसके लिए कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हो कि ये कम्युनिटी क्यों है? ये
No,
लोग
of
हैं.
course, I
ये बॉलीवुड अभी काफी डाइवर्सिफाई हो गया. मलाड में भी एक बाद में
Going to
काफी
Prabhadevi, I think a lot of them are shifting to Prabhadevi to like. No, but I want to
yes.
understand how for the masses. Now a mass would say that having a home is luxury. They would say, having a food with your family in a restaurant is luxury. But how does luxury in real estate should change according to you? What should we change? What should developers who are always saying we are making luxury apartments? Now every developer that you see will either say, Chembur mein I'm bringing a luxury, 4 BHK. This luxury tag is added everywhere now.
I'll tell you what my definition of luxury is now.
And should be.
Should be का तो मैं कैसे बोलूं? Developers will decide as a community. अगर this is limited to Bombay city only.
Okay.
अगर आपके पास surface parking नहीं है, you are not luxury. You can be in Prabhadevi, you can be in Worli. I don't care. Okay, you might say I have a valet parking. Somebody will wash your car. It's not working for me, and this is my personal opinion. Okay, this is a new phase of luxury. The next phase of luxury जो सदियों से चल रहा होता है वो तो मैं बोल ही नहीं रहा हूँ, which is your best faucets and your best marble and your whatever.
Amenities.
नहीं, amenities is new. It's still new.
Okay.
It's not more than a decade old.
Oh.
I need to have minimum 500 apartment. I can still do a 5 apartment project and make it very exclusive. That's separate. But that's not a builder then. Then you're making just some private villas for people. If you make a 500 apartment ka project where you can give the best amenities, the best floor to ceiling height, which is minimum 11 feet, okay, and you give the parking where the Lamborghinis and my Bentleys and all of this can park, they cannot park in stack. Okay, they can't even enter the car lift. ये 3-4 चीज हो गए तो luxury है, and then people will pay even 30 crores for it. Right?
Understood.
They will pay even 1 crore for the parking.
Yeah, you said that, you know, a 1 crore parking. Yeah.
Right?
Right.
That is for me luxury. अगर आप मुझे खाली पीली वो 9 फीट का 10 फीट का सीलिंग है वो दोगे, and then you expect me to pay 20 crores, boss. BS.
और tell me one thing, okay? वास्तु डेवलपर तो बना देता है वास्तु. Okay, now there are 200 flats. Tell me, now there are 100 flats. Chalo, don't even go to 100. There are 20 flats. Okay, in one Rafiq is staying, in one Abhishek is staying, in one Govind is staying, in one I am staying. Same vastu. So you think everybody is going to have the same livelihood?
But same वास्तु कैसे हुआ, my dear? इनका
No. Vastu compliance. Vastu compliance.
That's BS again.
Listen na, again.
हाँ.
So what he says is everybody should this vastu should be linked with something called astrology. Okay? अभी वास्तु लोग पहले का रेफर करते हैं, कुंडली वगैरह. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. बट अभी हम लोग कंक्रीट का घर बना रहे हैं, विच इज वेरी थिक. पहले तो मट्टी के घर बनाते. सो इट्स ऑल लिंक्ड एक्चुअली. एंड पीपल से 8 नंबर इज शनि, ये उसका हो गया. दिस इज ऑल नथिंग.
मैंने एक वास्तु वाले से सुना था कि वास्तु इज, जो वास्तु पंडित थे उन्होंने बोला कि वास्तु इज अबाउट यू, योर एनर्जी दैट यू ब्रिंग इनटू.
दैट इज एस्ट्रोलॉजी.
अच्छा, ओके.
दैट इज बैक्ड विद एस्ट्रोलॉजी.
No, I don't.
No.
Community believe in
No. To be very honest, no. It's because our religion doesn't like questioning a lot. If I think you'll agree to it. So much questioning about everything. Now, tell me, मैंने ज्योतिष से बता लिया मेरा हाथ. He tells, okay, you're going to be a millionaire. You're going to be this. You're going to be that. आगे जाके मेरा डेथ हो गया तो नीचे जाके. What have I earned? You know. So it's like this. It's everybody's perception. Actually, my dad, he believes.
Okay.
Believes in terms of what ki number 9.
But 1 second.
1.
You're a developer and he's as good as a developer because he's sold so many houses, right?
Yes.
आपने एक बिल्डिंग बनाई, यही बिल्डिंग बनाई, H shape या box shape या whatever. So there'll be one apartment which will be east-west facing, one will be north-south facing, one
Yes.
will be north-east,
Yes.
west, whatever something.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So obviously सबका तो वास्तु perfect नहीं हो सकता.
No, but exactly what Vastu says, सबका ब्रह्मस्थान अलग होता है.
Then it has to be linked to me.
Exactly.
So I might work with northwest, he might work with southeast.
Exactly. So that's why astrology comes in.
So I agree with you.
ये वास्तु कुछ नहीं होता है, and वास्तु के नाम पे people are doing, like you said, BS, because वास्तु ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. Numbers are good if a person is good. Everything is related to the energy. Now you tell me, ये पूरा वास्तु हो गया. Your mood is only off. Does it mean the space is not giving you energy, or is the problem in you?
Yeah. So the gentleman who, you meet a lot of people, right? Like you met the Vastu, I'm sure he's also met. तो ऐसी बातों में I said कि I live right, my building has a common wall with a Jain मंदिर, okay, and 3 buildings away is the Podar school. तो इसे अरे ये मुझे घर भेज दो. मैं हैं ये कहाँ से आया? ये सब लिखने में लगा bomb to me. तो I said so much high energy at the temple, so much high energy at the school. So therefore आपका तो कभी कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
That's where the energy comes from, you know, his
Can
energy.
you tell me, बड़ा कब्रिस्तान
हाँ.
जो चरनी रोड पे है, you know, बड़ा कब्रिस्तान ना, उसके बाजू में प्रेस्टिजियस कमिंग, ओशन टावर्स.
अरे वो तो मतलब
So what you're telling
prime,
me?
yeah.
So what you're telling me? उधर वास्तु.
वर्सोवा में गंगा भवन बिल्डिंग है, वहाँ उसके सामने 50 मीटर दूर पे शमशान है. फिर बाद में 100 मीटर दूर पे कब्रिस्तान है, और सी व्यू भी, सी फेसिंग है, सेलिब्रिटीज रहते हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
So tell me, are they haunted?
गंगा भवन
Imperial Heights.
नहीं, वर्सोवा जेपी रोड वर्सोवा.
Not towards Oshiwara. Okay, but Imperial Heights
तो
again.
जिसको सी फेसिंग मिल रहा है, जिसको जेपी रोड मिल रहा है.
Care about this, okay? I think Vastu has to be linked with a person's astrology in you know.
He didn't say that, the guest.
He said that's
और
what he
वो
said.
बिल्डिंग से सी व्यू भी दिख रहा है, वो बिल्डिंग से पूरा क्रेमेटोरियम भी दिख रहा है अच्छे से.
Now tell me now, if a developer has removed somebody from the land and gotten the entire land, does it make मतलब plot ही पूरा बर्बाद है? So it's like this. Abhishek, so I'm going to ask you quick, fast fire, whatever comes to your brain first. You know, you say that. Developers in Mumbai.
Developers in Mumbai, very, very aspirational. And they have the maximum profit margin.
BMC.
BMC. Can I not answer? Potholes.
Okay. Real estate.
Oh, I love real estate. Real estate contributes to double digit in my country's GDP, and I think it's going to rock in the country, and we are all in the right industry. So I love real estate.
Luxury.
Misused, abused word, किसी को समझ में ही नहीं आता. Actually, मोदी जी को समझ में नहीं आता. Affordable luxury, सब confused है. तो सबका अपना अपना definition है.
Rafiq Merchant.
I've just started getting to know him. The beauty about him is content with humor and extremely high energy. Rare combination.
Great. Let's do it with you,
Yeah.
Rafiq ji. Aflatun.
Properties,
Real estate.
obsession,
Developers.
friends,
BMC.
striving, struggling,
Abhishek Kiran Gupta.
intellectual intelligentsia, and a great friend.
I thought you would say Rapchik, Zabardast, Aflatun,
अरे यार वो बोलता है.
Ravas.
मैं सोचा वो बात के लिए रखते हो सेंटेंस.
Great. How was it in perspective? Be very honest. Let's be very honest.
So one being hosted by a lady was fresh. I told you earlier when we were not being recorded that
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of Lata ji.
Yes.
Not because of her singing, वो तो है ही.
Of course.
But she actually stood up, and she's for me is the symbol of womanhood in a man's industry called Bollywood. And I want to see somebody like you do that to real estate as well.
Good.
Seriously. And I'm not just.
I'm trying. Everybody's
I
trying.
mean, like you. I just want a barrage of women being at the next Credai meeting when I go and present there.
Yeah.
Right?
So you won't be the Malaika Arora then.
अरे यार वो मत याद दिलाओ. आजकल सब
He's
मुझे
the
बुला.
Malaika Arora.
So, by the way, I'm the new Malaika Arora.
Yes.
Big fan
You're
of
not
hers.
dressed like one.
Yeah, big, well, big fan of hers. तो क्योंकि आजकल है ना सबको चाहिए कि बाबा थोड़ा आओ, खाली अवार्ड मत दो, थोड़ा कंटेंट दो, थोड़ा डेटा दो, थोड़ा समझाओ हमारे सीपी फ्रेंड्स को, which is why I say that I'm the new Malaika Arora.
Yeah, but entire charm has been taken by Rafiq ji, I'm sure.
Oh, the rapid fire?
Yes.
I want to give him an hammer.
Really?
Because you abide by the rules.
हाँ.
You've changed. I think he's changed. Yeah, he's abided by the rules for the first time.
Correct.
And he's been very poised and very luxurious. I thought Rafiq ji will have a Rapchik.
कोई बंदा होता है ना तो थोड़ा आपका ऑरा था ना इसीलिए और थोड़ा
मेरा aura.
आप नहीं और आपकी रिस्पेक्ट वैसा बाकी दूसरा होता तो एकदम
जबरदस्त.
चले रापचिक